Guns and your other valuable things. Locking them up is step 1, finding a way to hide them is step 2. Unfortunately, binary thinking has limited our alternatives for both concealing and securing firearms. Both have their advantages and disadvantages. It's a little surprising that nobody has ever attempted to combine the concepts of locking up and concealing a gun before. That's why for today's video, we'll list down these astonishing spaces where you can keep your weapon. Let's begin. A large portion of the responsibility that comes with owning a gun is related to how to store it. We're all aware of how dangerous mounting weapons on the wall can be, and we all know how appealing they might be as a target for robbers. Hopefully we all know better than to do so to impress our friends. Sure, you could always go out and spend a little fortune on a large gun safe that would also take up a lot of valuable space in your house. Nothing shouts firearms in here more than a huge block of locked metal, and these safes are often constructed from several inches of reinforced steel. Even though they are safe, it won't take long for a thief to figure out where those firearms are, and if they're desperate enough, they will succeed in stealing them. No safe is completely secure, and if a burglar has the time, they can always just take the whole thing and worry about opening it later. Thieves may be able to crack a safe if they can find it. Being discreet entails being smart. Not to mention that in some cases, a huge and competent safe may be impractical. A huge safe, for example, might not be an option if you reside in an apartment many levels above the ground floor due to weight limits. If your coffee table houses a Mossberg 590A1 loaded with 8 rounds of federal flight control buckshot, you've got a quick fix for bad guys. You want to be prepared to reply with tremendous prejudice if your door is kicked in, right? Many concealed gun safes are designed to look like standard pieces of furniture, enabling them to be kept in plain sight without attracting visitors or intruders' attention. If you have the finances and the will, you may be armed and ready for home invasions or maybe even zombies. So aside from buying a large metal gun safe, what can we do to be responsible firearm owners and store our firearms with security and peace of mind? Let's check them one by one. First of all, we have the Secure It Under Bed Safe Fast Box. When you hear a bang in the night, chances are good that you already are in bed. We've got you covered with Secure It Under Bed Safe. It nestles under your bed and can keep a long rifle that is ready for use if anything should happen in the middle of the night, and weighs a respectable 47 pounds. Secure this storage off Amazon for $369. Number 2. The Gun Vault Speed Vault SV500. The Speed Vault differs from the gun safes covered in camouflage. Instead, it's a straightforward safe that can be tucked underneath a desk, table, etc. It is fairly small and can only hold one firearm. To present the weapon and make it simple and quick to draw, the Speed Vault incorporates a drop-down drawer. You can use the key override or a basic push-button combination to open it. A built-in courtesy light allows you to view and draw your rifle even in the dark, thanks to the Speed Vault. Additionally, it is stuffed with foam to shield your weapon from damage and prevent nicks, scratches, and abuse. Easily purchase this for $112 via Amazon. Third is this Tactical Traps Patriot 35S Compact Gun Shelf. Undoubtedly, the most discreet choice on this list is this wall shelf. Even the most considerate burglar or paranoid thief is not going to believe that shelf is hiding a gun. It is a straightforward shelf that opens into a compartment at the bottom. If you've never seen one, it fits in wonderfully and is really challenging to notice. Furthermore, it is 22.5 by 10.25 by 4 in size, allowing you to store a long rifle, a handgun, and even some accessories. Secure your gun by ordering this at Amazon for $275. Number 4 is this Peacemaker Wooden Gun Concealment Clock. This firearm storage system has a Kaizen foam that can be adjusted to suit anything you want, including valuables like jewels and cash, in addition to handguns. This clock safe is made of solid wood and has a variety of finishes, custom wood options, and you can even paint it yourself. But the clock's face is uniform across all types of wood and coatings. Get this from the official store for only $135. Okay, before we continue, we'd like to ask for a few moments of your time. If you want to support our channel, please leave a like and click on the subscribe button. This will help us create more engaging content for you. Now, moving back to where we left off. With number 5, we have the Gun Concealment Clock. Speaking of gun clocks, the most affordable option in this video is gun clocks. Even though they are created in various shapes, the functions of all different varieties of gun clocks are basically the same. They hide a gun while appearing to be a clock. Pretty basic, yes? These are small and don't appear pricey enough to be fancy. They have smooth, well-integrated doors. Most can accommodate a full-sized pistol like a 1911, Glock 17, or revolver with a 4-inch barrel. A shooter on a budget can store a gun easily and affordably with a gun clock. The prices have increased somewhat from the item's initial price due to inflation, but if you explore Amazon further, you may find something for less than this $124. Number 6. The Holon B1500 in-floor safe. This in-floor dial lock safe, just like stated in their official website, measures 12 9/10 height by 10 9/10 width and 6 9/10 depth, and includes a combination dial lock, a drill-resistant hard plate, a spring-loaded relocking device, and an air spring door, making it one of the best safes on the market today. A heavy-duty dead bar adds extra security, and the safe is built with solid steel chrome-plated active locking bolts. It has a combination dial lock, so you don't have to rely on electronics, especially for a safe where you may forget. Furthermore, it is UL rated Group 2 to deter burglary attempts. It also weighs 79 pounds, so once correctly fixed in your floor, it won't be moving without some serious equipment and time. What is the best feature? It not only keeps your gun safe, but also your other valuables. Get this delivered at your home for $592. And last but not least is the Tactical Walls 1450M. The 1450M by Tactical Walls is a full-length concealing mirror. You experience a sense of secrecy. Because the entire system is recessed into your wall, installation is not simple, but it mixes in well and is big enough to hold a long rifle, handguns, additional ammo, and even a light armor vest. It's like the Predator of hiding guns. With the larger compartment measuring 14 width by 40 height and 3.5 depth, and the smaller measuring 14 by 10 by 3.5, it has plenty of space. A standard lock and key or an RFID device are your two lock alternatives. To ensure everything stays secure, you can even add magnets inside with the Tactical Walls magnet pack. Moreover, by maximizing the area, these enable you to keep additional things. This one is available for purchase for $436 on its official website. Hidden gun safes are really fascinating and provide a different viewpoint on how to store weapons. They do have drawbacks, as with anything, but if you need a practical means to conceal your firearms, they work better. Which secret storage option is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you want more content related to this topic, make sure to check our channel. Take care, and we'll see you soon.